Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to enjoy bubble tea. This delightful beverage, originating from Taiwan, combines tea, milk, and chewy tapioca pearls. It's a truly unique experience. You can find it in countless flavors, from classic milk tea to vibrant fruit blends. Customizing your drink is part of the fun, allowing you to choose sweetness and ice levels. The signature boba pearls add a wonderful, satisfying chew to every sip. When ordering bubble tea, the customization options are vast. First, choose your tea base, like robust black tea or refreshing green tea. Then explore a wide array of flavors, from sweet fruit infusions to rich coffee blends. Don't forget the toppings. Tapioca pearls are a classic, but jellies and popping boba are also popular. Finally, adjust your sweetness, typically from 0 to 100%, and your ice level for a truly personalized drink. Now for the best part, enjoying your bubble tea. You'll receive a special wide straw designed to let you sip both the delicious liquid and the chewy tapioca pearls. Remember to chew the pearls to fully appreciate their unique texture. Give your drink a gentle shake before you start to ensure all the flavors are perfectly blended. Most bubble teas are served cold, offering a refreshing experience with every single sip. To elevate your bubble tea experience, try experimenting with new flavors and toppings. There are countless combinations to explore. Consider pairing your drink with a light snack for a delightful treat. If you can't finish your bubble tea in one sitting, you can store it in the refrigerator for a few hours. However, for the best taste and texture, it's recommended to enjoy your bubble tea within a few hours of purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.